Mercury Cougar is a nameplate applied to a diverse series of automobiles sold by the Mercury division of Ford from 1967 to 1997 and from 1999 to 2002. While the nameplate is mostly common associated with the two-door coupes, at various times during its production, the Cougar was also marketed as a convertible, four-door sedan, station wagon, and hatchback. During much of its production, the Cougar followed tradition within the Mercury division, marketed as a Mercury counterpart of Ford vehicle. The models were distinguished by an exterior ranging in degree from grilles and lighting components to nearly the entire exterior. The Cougar shared its platform with Ford vehicles throughout its production. For its first two generations, the Cougar was derived from the Ford Mustang. Initially developed as a pony car, it replaced the Cyclone muscle car in the Mercury model line. For the 1969 model year, the Cougar underwent a mid-cycle revision alongside its Mustang counterpart. The straight-line body sides transitioned toward Coke bottle styling, distinguished by a sweeping body crease sloping down from the hood line to the rear wheels. While the roof lines are little changed for its design, the vent windows were deleted. The front fascia retained a full-width grille with the electric shaver split grille replaced by a horizontally slatted grille with matching centerpiece. Concave tail lamp lenses replaced the previous convex design. The hidden headlamps were retained. The mechanism shifted its power from dual vacuum actuators to a single centrally located vacuum actuator. Vacuum for the headlight doors was provided by the engine and stored in a vacuum reservoir under the fender. As a failsafe, the headlight doors use spiral torsion springs to ensure the neutral position of the headlamp doors is open. A convertible body style was added to the model line, available for both standard and XR7 trims. A power-operated top was standard. For 1970, the Cougar underwent an additional revision to the front fascia. The split electric shaver grille with vertically slatted trims made its return, with a new hood adopting a pronounced body color center section. As part of the front fascia revision, the Cougar also received a new front bumper and revised front fenders. Concave tail lamp lenses remained, but with revised trim bezels, in addition to revised side marker lights. A revision to the position of the rear axle necessitated changes in rocker panel length and rear quarter sheet metal as compared to the 1969 model, although these changes are not visually apparent. Cougar also received a special option package including houndstooth pattern, vinyl roof, and matching upholstery. The roof and upholstery were available together or separately in either brown and black houndstooth or white and black houndstooth check patterns. Further safety revisions included the addition of locking steering wheel columns and high back bucket seats replacing adjustable headrests.